Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student on the based on word meaning, and this is our revision class. So dear student, let's start for our today's topic. Dear students, this is our lecture number 28, and this word meaning we have learned in our previous class. Again we are doing as revision work. Our first word meaning is pet. Pet meaning is not wild or dangerous. Second word is wild, and meaning of it is living freely, not tamed. Third word is feeler. The meaning of the word is a part of the body of an insect or other animal used to touch and feel. Fourth word is breath. The meaning of the word is to take air into the lung. Fifth word is gill. The meaning of the word is an opening through which a fish breathes. Sixth word is dam. The meaning of the word is a wall built to hold back water across a river or stream. Seventh word is exercise. The meaning of the word is activity and movement of the body, especially to keep healthy. Our last word is weather. The meaning of the word is how wet or hot the air is outside. Again I am repeating all these. Pet meaning is not wild or dangerous. Wild meaning is living freely, not tamed. Feeler, a part of body of an insect or other animal used to touch and feel. Breath, to take air into the lung. Gill, an opening through which a fish breathes. Dam, a wall built to hold back water across a river or stream. Exercise, activity and movement of the body, especially to keep healthy. Weather, how wet or hot the air is outside. Dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood it. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the previous exercise and learn all the previous question answer. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.